So a client just called you. They want you to run their Facebook ads. You said yes. Now what? You see, most people at this point open their ads manager, they start guessing, and they make mistakes that either get the account flagged or produce results so bad the client never calls again. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process for setting up and running Facebook ads for a client in Nigeria. From access to campaign launch, the professional way. The first and most important thing, never ask a client for their Facebook password. You see, I know some people do this. It's unprofessional and it's a security risk for your client. Correct way is through Meta Business Manager. Here is how it works. You have your own business manager account at business.facebook.com. Your client has their own business manager or they need to create one. Here is what you're going to do. What you're going to do is to request access to their ad account, not for you to take over it. So all you have to do is to go to your business manager, click settings, then click add account, then click add. Then you will see where it says request access to an ad account. You can simply enter your client's ad account ID. They can find it in their ads manager. It's usually the number in the top left corner. Your client then receives a notification to approve your request. Once approved, their ad account is going to appear inside your business manager. Now you have professional access and your client retains full ownership and you can work and they can also monitor. This is the setup every serious Nigerian media buyer and agency should be using. Now, before you launch a single campaign, there are 4 things you must confirm first with your client. Number 1 is that you must confirm that the Facebook page is connected to their business manager and also confirm that you have access to it. Without this, your ads have nowhere to run from. 2, you need to confirm that the pixel is installed on their website. If they have a website and you're running conversion campaigns, the pixels must be installed and firing correctly before any money is spent. Number 3 is that the billing is properly set up. You see, in Nigeria, this will usually mean a prepaid Naira ad account. Confirm that the payment method is active and that you are funded before you promise any go live data. Number 4, ensure you have a written brief. What is the goal? Is it leads? Is it sales? Is it awareness? What is the budget? What is the target audience? Who is the buyer? Make sure you get this in writing. Even just a WhatsApp message is fine, but ensure you get this before you start any work. This protects you and focuses on the campaign. Now, let's talk about how to structure the account. You see, for most Nigerian client campaigns, I recommend starting with a simple, clean structure. 1 campaign, 1 objective, 2 to 3 ads per ad set. That's it. You see, new advertisers and agencies always want to run 5 campaigns simultaneously. Don't. The algorithm needs budget concentration to optimize. So spreading your 10,000 naira across 5 campaigns gives each one about 2,000 naira per day. And that is not enough for the learning phase to work in any of them. So 1 campaign, enough budget per ad set to generate at least 50 results within 7 days. That is exactly what is going to help you exit the learning phase. For a lead generation client in Nigeria, here is what I would recommend. A minimum budget of about 5,000 to 10,000 naira per ad set per day to get meaningful data quickly. For the campaign objective, match it to what the client actually wants. If what they want is phone calls and inquiries, use leads with an instant form or maybe a click to WhatsApp. If they want website purchases, use sales with the pixels optimizing for purchase events. If they want more page followers or visibility, use awareness. But be honest with your client. Awareness does not directly generate sales. So make sure to set the right expectation. The technical setup is the easy part. You see, the hard part is managing the client. Now, here is what I've learned from running ads for Nigerian clients. Set the expectations on day 1. I'm telling you, tell your client that Facebook ads require a learning phase of about 7 to 14 days before you can optimize confidently. Because if they are expecting results in 48 hours, it's either you educate them or you don't take the job. Yes. Also make sure to send them a weekly report, maybe every Monday morning, just as we do. And it could also be a simple WhatsApp message or email with 3 numbers: the spend, the result, and the cost per result. You see, clients who see regular reporting are clients who trust you and renew. So never blame the algorithm. If results are poor, make sure to take ownership of that. But also identify what to test next. Come with a solution and not an excuse to your clients. And make sure to always keep screenshots of the brief that they approved. Because if a client says, I never asked for this campaign objective, you have the paper trail. Now, how do you price your services? Let's quickly talk about that. You see, this is one question that I get asked constantly. How much should I charge to run Facebook ads for a client in Nigeria? Now, the market rate in 2026 depends on your experience and what you are delivering. But let me give you a framework. For starters, you are new. You have like under 6 months experience. You can charge between 50,000 to 80,000 naira per month per client. Make sure you're transparent that you're building your portfolio. Now, if you're intermediate, you have results to show. You can charge between 100,000 to 200,000 naira per month. Now, this is usually the most common range for competent Nigerian media buyers. Now, if you are on the advanced level, you have case studies and you have this consistent result across multiple clients and you can speak confidently about strategy, then you can charge anywhere from 250,000 naira to 500,000 naira and above per month. Now, make sure to always charge separately for the ad spend. You see, your fee is for your time and expertise. So the ad budget goes directly to Meta. It's not your money. I would always advise you not to take the ad budget and just let that be what the client does. Make sure to always get upfront of 50% before you touch a client's account. It's also very important. Now, that is the complete professional setup for running Facebook ads for a client in Nigeria. We talked about the business manager access, the pre-launch checklist, campaign structure, client management, pricing. Now, if you want to learn how to build this into a full agency or freelance business, you can also purchase my Meta Ads Playbook. The link is in the description. It covers everything step by step with real Nigerian case studies. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I always post 2 practical Meta Ads videos every week, and drop a comment below. Are you currently running ads for any clients, or are you still working on landing your first client? Let me know in the comment section. I usually will reply every comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.